Hi everybody and welcome to page 22 of Standard of Excellence. My name is Mrs. Cannon. It happens to be Star Wars Day today. And I wanted to explain the first four songs on page 22 of Standard of Excellence to help you out a little bit. So the very first song you're seeing is a warm-up. It's in 3/4 time. And you're going to see a whole bunch of slurs as well as a tie at the end. The tie is there because they want a 4-count note. And you can't have a 4-count note in 3/4 times, so you have to tie it over and add the two notes together. Okay, let's try this. Let's count the rhythm together. And you know what? I'm going to show you this wonderful trumpet book, even though these notes might look a little weird for you. Let's count it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't forget your repeat time. All right, that'd be a great one to practice in little parts. Sorry, I always get the direction wrong. Maybe 4 measures at a time and then move on to the next 4 measures. The next song you have is called Full of Hot Air, and odds are you're going to have 2 new notes in this. If you play flute, you're going to be looking at a high A and a high B flat. If you play clarinet or trumpet, you're going to be looking at, honestly, clarinet, you're going to be looking at some lower notes, but for trumpet, we're going to be looking at high B and high C, which is cool. Saxophone, you're looking at high F sharp and high G, and you're going to be using your octave key for those. Trombone, baritone, tuba, and bass clef are looking at high A and high B flat, and my treble clef baritone players are looking at high B and high C. And it is possible, depending on your instrument, you might have had some new notes in the warm-up as well, or in Don to Giovanni, so just be ready for those to show up. Actually, now that I'm saying this out loud, I think my saxophones have new low notes on this one. I think you have, yeah. But you'll know because you look at your own book. This one's pretty straightforward, and I love to practice this song in groups of 3 notes, okay? And notice also they want you to try to make a difference with your dynamics. We're forte here, but then they want you to be piano here. Forte means loud, piano means soft. All right? And this thing right at the end, that's a fermata. Hold it longer than usual. If you're in school, watch me, please. Don to Giovanni. This is just a fun Italian folk song that's a really fun one to play. It means dance Joseph. So if your name is Joseph, I'm not going to make you dance. Don't worry. But so that's just a fun one to do. And then number 88, very, very important song. This is actually the concert B-flat major scale. And this is going to be a scale that we'll use in 5th grade and beyond in band rehearsal. Okay, so this actually is going to be a belt for current and future students. It's just a really good one to memorize. Now, if you play flute, if you play bass clef, trombone, baritone, tuba, if you play bells, it's going to be a B-flat scale for you. Okay, 2 flats in it, B-flat and E-flat. That's what you have right up at the beginning of the song in the key signature. If you play trumpet, tenor sax, and clarinet, it's your C scale. Okay, French horn's also going to play this as a C scale just to play the lower version of it because we'll learn our F scale later on that we need. Saxophones, alto sax, it's a G scale, and I should have said baritone treble clef, you will also be a C scale. Okay, really good one to practice. Please make sure that you hold your half note for 2 counts and your quarter notes for 1 count. And the divided notes that you see on the second line, we play those in school where some people play the top notes and some people play the bottom notes. You can't really play 2 notes on your instrument, at least not at this point in your life. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them on my Google Classroom or you let me know in a lesson what you need some help with. Okay, and as always, please have fun practicing. Thank you.